Neil, thanks for joining us. We're at the One-to-One conference in Cape Town today. Tell us a little bit more about the company.
So DRDGOLD's been around since the 1890s. It's about 130 odd years old. It started out in deep level underground mining. It's now made a full transition to recycling of mining tailings exclusively. Operates to the south and to the east of Johannesburg, where it has a plant called Ergo, and recently also acquired an operation from Sibanye in the Carltonville area, the far west area, where it's established a 500,000 tonne a month project, which is running quite nicely. So it's the combination of the two now.
And can you give us sort of an idea on the scale that we're talking about with both projects? Obviously you talked about one, but the other project as well.
So the two projects combined, guidance we gave was about 190,000 ounces this year. We're producing at just under 500,000 rand a kilo, all in. So the financials for the business at the moment, with the gold price where it currently is at, is fairly robust. And we're seeing that in the share price. The share price has increased more than 200% in the last year. We're the fifth best performer in the JSE in that sector the last 12 months, up to 8 billion rand market cap, and I think we were below 2 billion a few months ago. So the gold price is making us look clever, and of course the fact that the two business units are performing well, that's not hurting either. So we're in a good space at the moment.
And to take the company to that next level, obviously you've seen a good performance in the share price and that realisation. Yes. What's the plans as you move forward?
Well, we're sitting on a pile of cash. Our net cash position from operations is just over 500 million rand, and Sibanye has just invested 1.1 billion in the company as well to move the strategy forward. So we obviously want to see if we can expand the operating footprint of particularly the Far West operation, and also just reduce the risk exposure and increase the resilience of the existing operations too, with a few modifications and maybe some small capital investments in the existing operations. And then also look at maybe expanding the footprint into other metals. I think that's the purpose why Sibanye wanted to invest this money, is for us to become more involved also in other metals and delivering to the rehabilitation through mining imperative, which I think has become a central theme in both our strategies.
And the One-to-One conference, how's that been for you?
It's been very good. This is the third one that we've attended. We've been to London and New York, and now also in Cape Town. And it seems to be ballooning. There's just so much exposure here. We're back to back. That's why look the way that I do. We've been working harder than we used to. And tomorrow as well. So it's a good conference. It's very good exposure, we believe.
Superb. Well, Neil, thanks for your time today.
No, thanks for the opportunity.